YouTube, what is up? This is Topher Lee. I'm just coming to you with my Car Chronicles. Actually, not really so much of Car Chronicles. This is just a stay tuned type of premiere type of little mini message. And with this mini message, I'm just going to let you know that I'm coming through with a couple of videos with my natural hair routines and processes. So I have a few things. I'm just waiting to get everything all in line, and then you'll be seeing me every week. When I say every week, I mean maybe twice a week. I know I'm gonna do once a week for sure, and then I'm gonna pick up and I'm going to go and take flight. When I say take flight, I mean like. So I want you to like, comment, subscribe below. I'm Topher Lee on Facebook and Instagram, so you can watch me, and I'll actually have the links below, so you can start following me and keep my every move in your mind, and so you can watch and learn. I'm done.